We have Irish, we have ginger.
Yeah.
Right across our main man. See the next to the cash pot place.
Yeah, man, right across the cash pot place.
You know what make your name left man Coco?
Yeah.
Wait till never tell me why.
Left man because I left man.
No man. You get the name, you know.
Left man Coco.
Yeah, left man Coco. We have some nice left man Coco here.
My God, that is a Coco.
Yes. Them Coco here we are talking about.
Yo!
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, my people, it's all about the food boss, you know, the man with the food, you know, Sunday morning, run out a snack, yeah, you need a carrot, you need a pepper, it's all about food boss, my people. Without no further ado, food boss. Yeah man, we're on the scene with also Richie Rich Kitchen, you know what I mean, because you don't know. It's all about the kitchen, Richie Rich Kitchen, see?
Yeah, big up yourself.
Alright. Yes my people, it's all about food boss. So right here, Main Street, Clarkstown, you know? If you're cooking and you need something,
On a Sunday.
on a Sunday, any
On a
day,
Saturday, any day.
check food boss. So food boss,
Yeah. Yes,
manners
we do
and
that.
blessings.
Greetings.
Yeah, how long you have been doing this, food boss?
Well, I've been here for the past, call it 3 years, you know.
How you mean that the thing? A whole pot you put on, you know?
Yes man, they say I'm here to feed the world, you know.
But must, have
You
to,
know how the
have to.
thing going on.
Yes, my viewers, so. For sure the viewers them what food boss I deal with, alright?
Yeah, today is Sunday and the thing shell down, you know.
How you mean, man?
We have some onion here.
Peas up on the pot, man.
We have some garlic here for the people.
Yeah,
We have Irish, we have ginger. Right
yeah.
across our main man. See the next to the cash pot place.
Yeah, man, right across the cash pot place, my viewers.
Easy to find. And
Easy.
Middle road there, you know.
Food boss.
$150 pot for your peas, though.
Yeah, right.
We have onion, we have Irish, we have peas. We have, I remember, big up Richard's kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man, Rich Kitchen every time. Ever Slick Creation, media. Ever Slick media, alright?
I saw the thing
farmers.
set up.
No,
We have sweet pepper.
Jamaican farmer.
Yeah.
Jamaican farmer, so.
Farming. I was sure we have one great young farm over there. No?
Yeah, the original farmer. Yes, boss, you want one? I mean, manners teacher.
Yeah, man, we just roast two times same way.
Yeah.
I don't know. Bob Marley relatives same way in between us.
How you say? Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to hike and there where we are going.
In big in the history.
Yeah. You
Alright.
can see now.
Yeah.
We have some sweet potato, sweet pepper,
Sweet pepper,
hot pepper,
hot pepper,
tomato,
tomato,
cucumber,
cucumber,
yeah, carrot.
carrot, lovely
You
carrot.
don't know the thing go. Cabbage there same way.
Same
Alright.
We have pak chow, lettuce gone. You
Yeah.
know, we have ripe banana and the kids them come. We don't carry two ripe banana for you, you know.
Oh, what you say?
We have ripe banana.
Yo,
we have
people,
we have ripe
we have
plant.
to keeping it real, you know, man, so we
understand?
can eat
We
banana.
have a thing we name left man cocoa.
Yeah, left man cocoa, but them big.
You know what make your name left man cocoa?
Yeah.
Wait till never tell me
I
why.
eat a
Left man
banana.
because I left man.
No man. When a young girl cannot peel it, man, left her.
Okay.
To
Left
get the name, you know.
left man
Yeah,
cocoa.
left man cocoa. We have some nice left man cocoa here.
My God, that is
Yeah.
a cocoa.
Yes. Them cocoa here we are talking about.
Yo!
Main Street, Clarkstown. Give me your name
Yeah,
again.
man. Food boss.
The
man.
food boss.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Left.
AKA Tarzan.
Give me again.
Yeah, AKA Tarzan, you know.
Jesus Christ. Wait,
Food
show me the
boss.
cocoa. What a cocoa
Boss.
big.
Yeah, man, food boss.
Remember now,
Jesus
people.
Christ.
Remember
Yeah.
to support Food Boss, Clarkstown.
Yes, my
Right
viewers.
beside
AKA.
the cash pot
Yeah.
place, brother.
Yeah,
I don't
my
care
God.
about
You have
just
your
come
man
down.
so-
Yeah, man, we
And
have some
supporting
yellow,
thing.
Well, you don't know, so today is Sunday and we soon gone in, so.
Yeah.
I think kinda, you know.
I simmer down.
Yes, man, but right now, I encourage the young to them to go.
Plant.
do farm.
That you can get some more fresh
Yeah.
food to put on the
Yeah,
stall.
man. Do some farming, you know.
For real, man.
Yes, man. Remember, we want some JB's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Richie
Yeah.
Kitchen there and
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Yes, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Me have too much page. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
It's all about the farmers.
Richie Rich.
Yeah, man,
Jamaican
it's all about the
Farmers Hut.
And remember to subscribe.
Yes, I.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Watch Elpar. My God,
We have some melon here.
Melon, my people, my viewers.
Straight from Senti.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Every ground covered
Yo, my
there.
friend.
My people, anything you want, you check Food Boss, Main Street, Clarkstown, right from across the cash pot place, my viewers. See? Yeah, man.
We have the best price, you know.
Yeah, Food Boss have the best price. Yeah?
Yeah, man. We don't pressure people when they come and put on it. But for fire!
Ah, no, that Mr. Man. That Mr. Man.
Can I get them things on cheaper?
Jesus Christ, Food Boss are the best. Enough time this man put on my pot.
Yes, man.
The real man. The real man.
So, youths and youths. Alright, left off my corner. Low out the marijuana. I'm going to do some farm.
Sight. And I see you, Mr. Man, Jamaican Farmers Hut.
But
See?
Still, yes, man.
Yeah, man, alright. You don't know. So, Bossy, is the third party or is the second?
Well, Richie can talk for himself.
Richie. Oh, there's a next
next
Richie.
Richie. Alright.
So, what are going Richie? So,
Everything good, man.
oh, you mean, so I use the second Food Boss?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, man, so like when Food Boss get busy, are you take over?
Food boss.
Yeah, man. A food boss, man.
Yeah,
Man,
so,
straight, you know?
so how long you have been working here?
Working here a long time, man.
Long time, what you mean, man? Long time, enough something, you know? Enough hear that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so don't forget, man.
Yes, man.
Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe to Jamaica Farmers Hut.
Real,
Yeah,
man.
because the man I do a good job, you know. So anybody out there right now, see this video, like and share to subscribe to Farmers Hut, Jamaica Farmers Hut.
Real,
Yeah,
man.
Because I don't know, man, I get the road work, you know.
Yeah,
So,
man.
what?
Yeah.
We have a farmer them here, so right now. So how the business going so far, right now?
Well, you
Want
don't
to
know. You don't know nobody not ready to work, you know. That's why we give the best at the best price.
True.
You understand? And even if a man come and the money to me, still making go on.
Then all the time we link up with the man and I see him it run.
Yeah, man, that's how things set up.
Yeah, man.
The real Food Boss.
You can't do complain, you know, man. They have banana for the kids them and then come see me.
You don't have the name for nothing.
Alright, I know we don't want so much support in that thing, you know.
For real, for
Yeah,
real.
man, we don't want so much support in that thing.
For real, for real.
Some peeps want to share, like, and subscribe to that video. And we are going to go for the drum next week.
Alright?
I understand?
Yeah.
I'm going to draw some young people and show no hard work. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man, the PR.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Farming hard, you know, but the PR.
Yeah,
For real, man.
Yeah.
For real, man.
Just, you know, by a sweat, you shall eat bread. You know?
Yeah, man. Hard work to see.
Yeah, man. So, share, subscribe, part 2 next week.
Oh, you mean part 2 come out. So Food Boss, how much a pound for the carrot?
Carrot for 150, like, right?
Line up on 2 pounds for I and I.
Alright.
Jamaican Farmers Hut. That's how me do it.
Jamaican Farmers
So, we
Hut.
are doing it.
Yeah, man.
But for fire!
And that we say.
Food for boil or cook.
So yes, my people, you don't know it's all about it's all about Jamaican Hut.
Man, Jamaican Farmers
Link up
Hut.
with Richie
Like,
Rich Kitchen.
Share and subscribe to your channel, you know?
Yeah,
Because
Richie
you
Rich
wanna
Kitchen.
Put out the hard work in the people.
See.
So, yeah, and next Chilani blogger that, you know.
Yeah.
So big up yourself, Jamaican Farmers Hut.
How you mean, man, every
Richie
time.
Rich. Big up yourself. Boom!
I'm out.
Alright.
So yes, Food Boss.
Yeah.
See there.